Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chelsea and today I'm gonna do a haul. I've got a bunch of goodies from Jet Pens and then a few other small shops, so I'll link all the shops in the description if you want to check them out, but I'm gonna be starting with Jet Pens. And first up we have this set of brush markers. These are actually really nice. Let me just take them out of here so you can see what one of these looks like. And I'll just write something down so you guys can see how this is really flexible. It's a super soft brush tip. So these are actually like little bristles. See? So yeah, oops, I don't want to do that, but oh well. I wanted to show you, it's not like a felt tip marker, so it's a lot like painting, which is really nice. Okay. Next up, we have a bunch of washi tapes. So I'm not gonna bother opening these up, but you can see on the packaging, these are actually washi tape stickers. So they're little die cut petals. And I don't know, I just thought that was really cool. So you could make your own flowers just like that. So yeah, I like that. And then this one is very similar, but it's bubbles. So that's what they all look like. And you can just peel them off one by one. And I think this is the same washi roll sticker, yeah. So this is just a cute little donut theme. Look at all those little donuts in there. How fun. So that's all the donut designs. I kind of want to open this and just see. I gotta do it to at least one of these, right? Okay, so it has this little peely thing on there to keep it closed. And so you can just peel these off one by one and have a little washi sticker. That is so cool. Okay, I just had to see it, sorry. All right, and then one more washi tape. I thought this was really cool. So you have date numbers and then days of the week. So these are the numbers. So the numbers are heart-shaped. And then you have just this really skinny roll here for the days of the week. Okay. And then I also got these magnetic pins. I already took one out, but it's just this cute little rubber magnet. So you could put it on your refrigerator, dry erase board, planner cart, wherever, and you can hook things onto it. And I just thought it was so cute. It looks like my cat Trixie. She's a calico cat, so she's got markings very similar to that. So I had to pick it up. Okay, and then the last item from Jet Pens is this really pretty pen. And my sister actually picked this up. She said it was expensive, but she really wanted it, and I can see why. It's such a pretty blue, and it's really compact. And she uses an A6, so this is perfect for her planner size. And I think this is just a regular gel. I hope she won't mind if I write with this. Yeah, it's just a gel pen, but it's really nice and it twists on. And so that's the brand. I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce it. But yeah, I just thought it was so pretty. I had to show you guys. All right. Next up, I'm gonna show you guys some goodies that I have from the Angel Shop. Y'all know I love the Angel Shop. Me and my mom had to place an order. And first up, we have this really pretty pouch. My mom had to pick this up. I actually have 2 pouches similar to this, just different colors. And I love them. They're so soft. And the quality is amazing. It's got the logo on there and this really cute heart keychain that makes it easy to pull your zipper. And this can fit a ton of stuff. I've even put my camera in my bag that's like this, so I know it fits a lot. And on the inside there's a zipper pocket, so you can put like little things in there that you don't want to lose. So I love this pouch. It's such a pretty purple, and I'm jealous that my mom picked this up. Okay, next we have this acrylic clip. How cute! The Mickey ears. Oh my gosh, I love the Angel character. She is so adorable. I love all the pink. And then here is the Hello Kitty keychain, which I am absolutely obsessed with. How cute is that? And it's so sparkly and very well made. I'm obsessed. So cute. And then I also got this jelly pouch. I love the sparkles on there. And then the back has this attachment. I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe you can just put keychains or whatever on here, or you could attach it to your bag or something. But I love anything clear. I just remember like all the clear backpacks and stuff from the Y2K era, and it makes me think of that. And I'm so happy to have this in my collection. Can't wait to stuff it with pens. Which, speaking of pens, let's go ahead and look at those. Oh, there's also stickers in here. Okay, I'll show those in a minute. Okay, so some of these, I can't remember the names. I should have looked it up before I sat down, but I'll do my best. I think this one is Aurora or Sleeping Beauty or something. It's so pretty. It has little gold crowns in there. I don't know if you can see them. And it has sparkles and hearts. The barrel is so pretty. I had to have this one. And then this one is the Mickey or Minnie Mouse pen. I'm not sure. It's got the little Mickey ears, see? Or I guess that's Minnie because it has a bow. I don't know. It's black and pink and I love it. And it has little Mickey heads in there with hearts. It's so much fun. And then this one is from the Go Wild collection. Oh wow, is this supposed to have a little moon in there? I'm not sure if it is, but it has one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look, it has a little moon floating in there. I like that. It makes it unique. Actually, I think this is a seconds pen, maybe. So maybe that's why, but I actually love that. So I just really wanted this because of this barrel. I don't have anything like that in my collection. So I think that's so pretty. And then this one is the bananas. I didn't have anything yellow in my collection either, so I had to grab this, and this one moves really quickly, which is fun. You can just sit there and play with this all day, but it has little bananas in there, like banana slices and banana bunches. Okay, and then this last one that comes in this fancy case is the new fountain pen, and it is so luxurious. It's this really pretty clear barrel, and I just love how elegant this looks, and it writes super smoothly because it's a fountain pen. It's just so fun to write with. I love it. Okay. Oh wait, I have another pen here. Okay, so this one is the new Mean Girls pen. So it has the burn book on there. I love that detail. That is so cute. And then the hot pink lips and confetti. Like, how pretty is that? Oh, I love this one. It's so pink. And it's gonna match perfectly with our Mean Girls stickers in the shop. So I'll have to do a new Mean Girls spread and use that pen. We also have this burn book sticker, which is really cute and sparkly. And then this one to go with the Mickey pen. So cute. I had to pick up this one. This is me. Always late and definitely don't want to be there. And then I just really like that. I think that's cool. It's got that hollow or foil. It's just silver foil actually, but I love that. And she also sent us this enamel pin. Let me take it out of the bag. Look how cute. And it's so glittery too. Oh, it's so pretty. That is adorable. Okay, and we also have some sticker sheets, and these feature the adorable angel character. So this one, she has nail polish, and look, it has the little Angel Shop logo on there. I just love little details like that. It makes it so unique. And so this one just has a variety of activities, emotions. How cute, look at all those details. Oh, this one, she's sick. And then here she is at the computer, sleeping, doing laundry, watching Netflix, going to the doctor, cooking. Oh, that sad face. These are just so cute. And then this one has a sparkly lamination. I think that's it. Oh, okay, wait. Also picked this up. I got this for my sister. I don't know if she's gonna watch this. Probably not. So I'm not too worried about her seeing it. But I got it for her birthday because she likes strawberries. How cute is that? It has a little star attached to it. Obsessed. It's gonna be hard to give that to her. Okay, so that's all the stuff from the Angel Shop. Let's move on to the next. Next up, we have just this little tiny order from little Miss Daisy Rose. I think we just needed these 2 clips because we did not have any of these in our collection. So we've got that cute sun, perfect for summer and spring. And then the frog. Oh, I love the little froggy with the strawberry. How cute. Okay, and then the next shop is Bold and Chic Accessories. So here's their shop info. So I picked this up for my sister. It's just this really cute embroidered strawberry keychain. And then we picked up these custom name paper clips. How cute are these? I love the glitter, I love the rainbow, and I love that you can customize it. So we had to pick those up for our planners. And then I also saw this really pretty sunflower. I thought that would be good for fall, and it's metallic. And also I had to pick up a pink bow. How cute, so sparkly. I just love the contrast of the embroidered with the glittery vinyl backing. I think that's cool. And then this last one was also a custom name, but I chose, of course, to do shine. Love it, so pretty. Okay, so those are all from Bold and Chic Accessories. And then this last shop is called Sky Plans, and they just had some clips that we needed to get, like this one. Let me open these up. So if you are a fan of The Office, you'll love this one. Dwight is my favorite, so that was a must-have. And then these were just too cute to pass up. Of course, I had to get the Corgi, but look how cute that little egg is. I don't know what it is about the egg, but the egg is just cute. It has a little bow. Okay, and then we also got one last thing from the shop. It's my sister's, and I wanted to show it to you because it's really cute and it's so well made. So my sister has this gigantic memory planner she's using, and it is chunky. So chunky that the strap would not even close, so she cut it off and decided that she would accessorize it with this really cute strap to keep it closed. So if your planner is busting at the seams, you can go check out Sky Plans on Etsy, because she has some really cute elastic bands that will help to keep your planner closed. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this haul video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye!